Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we are back live with our second pack opening of Prizm NFL. Let's see if we can get lucky, baby. Let's get it. Justin Jefferson. Rookie card, Tyler Booker, Cowboys. Rookie card, Terrence Ferguson. Oh, nice. Anthony Richardson. Jamar Chase. Chase Brown. And Amon St. Brown. One more chance to dance, baby. One more chance to live. Eric Moulds, Texan. Caleb Johnson, Steeler. Jackson Dart, rookie card, nice. On the green, Zaire Franklin, Colts. Ooh, Travis Hunter on the rookie card, green. Trevor Lawrence. And Khalil Mack. Nothing too great, but we did get a rookie card, Travis Hunter on my exclusive green. We got Caleb Johnson, rookie. We got a couple other things, but nothing like spectacular autographs, signature. But like I said, Romeo, Jeep Man, Blood, Pappy, Nuka. We'll keep trying, baby. Peace. See you on the next one.